Hi there. I'm Atala Khan from Technical UK channel, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna teach you how to create a Gmail account step by step. This channel is for basic and advanced technical skills like Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Azure, the guidance of computers in a very easy way. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification icon to watch my newly posted videos. Thank you. Now let's start the video. There are many benefits to having a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, then you can easily use various other products, such as YouTube, Google Play, Google Drive, and much more. An email account is necessary to access the services of many software, websites for the sign-up process. To create a Gmail account, first type Gmail in your browser. Click on Create Account and then select For Myself. You need to fill this form: your first name, last name, username. Username means unique name. In the username you can use letters, numbers and periods. Also, choose a strong password and remember the password to sign in again to your Gmail account. Now, asking to verify your phone number. Your personal info is private and safe, so enter your phone number and click Next. If you click on Verify, then a verification code of 6 digits will be sent to your mobile number that you have just entered to confirm that is your mobile number. Okay, so let's click on Verify now. Check your mobile phone. I have received a 6-digit verification code here. Let's enter it and click Verify. It has been verified. Now you have completed the whole process of creating the Gmail account. Now, enter your birth date and select gender, then click on the Next button. You can either skip it, or if agree you want to accept these things, you can click on Yes, I'm in. These are the privacy and terms. Just scroll down and read it. And then click on I agree. You will see a message from the Google community. Click on this, and it is a welcome email. Hi Technical, welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps, and services. If you want to sign out, you can sign out from here. If you gain any skill, knowledge, information, and guidance through video, so you must like my videos, do comment, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to watch my newly posted videos. Thanks.